Hello there. This video we're gonna show you guys how to quickly lay out some shapes that mimics a website and how to save a file. So previous video we have added layout guides to our desktop. Just gonna drag this other desktop at the bottom. Right, press R on the keyboard or toolbar, shapes, rectangle. Again, this is just to mimic that we are creating a masthead and also practice how to snap. Zoom in onto your desktop just to click on the edges and reshape your rectangles. This is to mimic that this is a masthead. A masthead is where your navigation bars have all your buttons and all. Okay, that is one. And then we want to create another rectangle. You could either copy this by pressing Ctrl C and V on your desktop, on your keyboard, sorry. Again, just to remind, it does not place somewhere else. It actually pastes on top of the previous. So let's change it to a different color so that we can tell that there are difference. In fill, click fill, change to a different color. This also demonstrates how we change color. So in this case, we're changing to a different gray. So this gray, let's just have it on top of this banner. Again, these are just placeholders to show that, oh, these are possibly going to be buttons and all. While we have that placed there, copy this. Again, Control C, Control V on your keyboard, drag it down. Now we're just going to pretend that this is a banner. And you have it, banner of a website. Again, if you don't want to keep pressing Control C and V, you could just on your keyboard hold down on alternate and drag. That's the other way of copying. Resizing this. So these are cards. Cards on the website are sections where it talks about different topics or different pages or services. Now we're going to just do alternate drag. This duplicates. That's how we have quickly created something like that on a web page. Maybe we want to have little thumbnails. Now we click and drag this on the keyboard again, alternate drag. Now we want to readjust it so that it fits. We want to have 3 thumbnails, 3 micro cards. 12 columns divided by 3, that's 4. So each rectangle will take up 4 columns. Click and drag, match, click and drag, match. Note that we did not really focus too much on the horizontal. Again, these are guides, we can adjust them later, but just to quickly demonstrate how we can rapidly create something like that it makes the placement of a website. Again, on the keyboard, Shift G, that just turns off the guides so that you can see what you have quickly created. Now that you want to save your creation, top left on the left panel, main, under file, save a local, click, and there you have it in your save folder. You could open the folder, rename it. That's how you quickly create a desktop, really low feed prototype, low feed web page and save a file. Thank you.